Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we have 3 to the power of 2t equals to 7. So t is the unknown. Let's solve together. Let's say solution. Three to the power of 2t equal to 7. We're going to take log to base 10 on both sides so that our equation will become log 3 to the power of 2t equals to log 7. But log a to the power of s is equals to s log a. So the power comes down to multiply the log. So the next line becomes here 2t log 3 is equal to log 7. And we are verifying. So we're going to divide both sides by the coefficient of 2t, that is 2t log 3 over log 3 is equal to log 7 over log 3. Here, log 3 divided by log 3 will be 1, and 1 times 2t, what is left is 2t equals to log 7 over log 3, and it's fine. So that 2t over 2 is equal to log 7 over log 3 divided by 2. Here, 2 divided by 2 will be 1. What is left also, what will be left will be t equals to log 7 over log 3 times 1 over 2. And this can be written as t equal to 1 over 2 log 7 over log 3. But log a over log b, if they have the same base, let's say c, can be equals to log a base b, and we are fine. So here, since they have the same base 10, we can therefore write t is equals to 1 over 2 log 7 base 3. And this is the value of t. So to verify if the value of t we got can satisfy the equation, we therefore will put anywhere we have t, this value, so that from our original equation, 3 to the power of 2t equals to 7. So t becomes 3 to the power of 2 times log 1 over 2 log 7 base 3. Can this be equal to 7? And here, 2 can cancel out 2. What will be left will be 3 to the power of log 7 base 3. We want to know if this is equal to 7. But log a, and if it has a base b and is raised by a base number b, the value becomes a, because the base number and the log to the base cancels out and is left with a. So here, 3 and log to base 3 also will cancel out. 1 to the power of 7 is 7. So what is left here is 7 equals to 7 indeed. That means the value of t equals to 1 over 2 log 7 base 3 is true, because it satisfies the equation. The right hand side is equals to left hand side. Thank you for staying tuned. Do well to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.